Collaboration.
My success is my handwriting. My success is my handwriting.
The objective of Handwriting Lab is to have a unique handwriting methodology for schools where the teachers and students follow a unified pattern of writing.
Handwriting is crucial. Handwriting is critical. We have introduced this a few years ago. It is successfully running. And this is one thing that parents are very happy about. You may have a copywriting exercise that is only for namesake. But a scientific way it is developed. It's just his commitment. In our school, our teacher said, we learned handwriting from them only. Have you noticed Jesuit fathers' handwriting? Or certain convent sisters' handwriting? They all look alike because they are trained. That's why he says that there is no good and bad handwriting. That's a myth. There is only trained or untrained handwriting. So please think while and when you get that material and when you go through all of these, if your school comes forward, I'm sure you will never regret.
Every school have a system in place. You take anything, everything is systemized except handwriting. Every teacher have a decent idea about handwriting, but all their ideas are different. So what Veda Handwriting Lab can provide you, we give you a system in place where teachers and students follow a single pattern.
The important thing is that this is going through teachers, but the teachers are trained first and they are implementing this to children.
When I saw this, even I shocked. There is a fantastic changes, tremendous changes in the handwriting.
I'm very happy and proud to say that there has been a considerable improvement in the way in which our children started developing a fine handwriting.
The most influenced part of Veda handwriting is that it's highly scientific.
Veda Handwriting Lab, a solution for training your child in a better handwriting.
As per my past 1 year experience, the techniques and skills given by Veda Handwriting is unique, creative and child friendly.
It's a very innovative and creative way of teaching our students how to improve their handwriting. Students are able to easily sync with this new type of techniques and they are enjoying every session.
Before I used to get pain after writing, but now I am happy that I will not get any pain.
Schools interested in introducing the Veda Handwriting Lab Campus Connect program are welcome to contact us for collaboration.